Narinig mo na siguro yung Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Isa to sa pinaka-misuse na verse kasi madalas gamitin sa goal, success, sa mga exams or achievements na para bang assurance na lahat ng gusto mo makukuha mo. But in context, iba ang meaning. Si Paul actually nagsulat nito nung nasa kulungan pa siya. Yes, nasa kulungan siya nang sinulat niya tong verse na to. And he was the same person who went through beatings, sufferings, he was stoned to death and went through shipwreck, and yet he had the audacity to write this verse because he knew that Jesus is the source of strength. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman tayo pinangakuan ng magiging smooth lagi ang buhay, na mananalo tayo sa lahat ng oras, na wala na magiging problema. In fact, kung kailan ka nga mas lumalapit sa Kanya, dun mas dumarami yung problema. Pero kahit na pangit or maganda man ang takbo ng buhay, nanalo ka man or hindi, nasa highest or lowest moments ka man ng buhay mo, I wanna tell you na hindi ka iiwan ni Lord at lagi siyang nandyan para sa'yo. At dahil kasama mo siya, kaya mong magtiwala kahit hindi mo naiintindihan, kaya mong maghintay kahit delayed yung sagot, at kaya mong maging matatag kahit pagod. So, I don't know who needs to hear this, pero kung nag-fail ka, broken-hearted ka, hindi ka nanalo, you're going through a situation right now, kapit ka lang kay Lord, kapatid. Kasi naniniwala ako na hindi ka papabayaan ni Lord at lahat makakayanan mo pagkasama mo siya.